Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to share your screen in a Microsoft Teams meeting. So I'm using the web version of Microsoft Teams, which is teams.live.com. You can also go ahead and open the website, log into your specific account, then after join or start a meeting. Now, once you're inside a meeting and you want to share your screen, for that, you need to click on the share button in the top right corner of the screen that is between mic and leave. Go ahead and select it. Or you can also select Ctrl plus Shift plus E on your keyboard. Then after, click on screen, window, or tab option. Now you can go ahead and select any tab that you want to share. You have three different tabs: Chrome tab, window, and entire screen. In the case if you want to go ahead and show your Chrome tab, you can also select the specific tab that you want to show. So I'm going to go ahead and use this YouTube video right here, then toggle this option to share the tab audio as well, and then tap on share, and you'll be done. Now to stop sharing this tab, select stop sharing in the top of the screen, which is highlighted in green color in my tab, and you'll be done. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.